Hello guys, welcome back. As I said, I was going to do some off-camera mining. I've been mining for probably over 6 hours. I've gotten all these goodies. I think we're going to smelt them up because I want to get into the chicken mod today. Also, while I was out there in the green area, I was able to get a feather, which I'm pretty sure is important for this. What else? I also would like to get some more of the storage mod done and maybe get into some energy because I really want the ME. That's all I ever want. And chickens, we need a chicken catcher. I have no clue. Wholesale, I need a market. Market. I need wool and eggs. I don't have any wool. I have string. Hello? I don't want to go there. It's a dangerous place. Let's see, what can I smelt up? Smelt up this stuff. This cannot be put in the smeltery over there, so I may as well just put it in here. And what? In chicken mod, I can get started. I need a chicken. I need to get a chicken. How do I get a chicken? I need wool. I get those out of chance cubes usually, but I've had no luck with chance cubes. I've got no more diamonds. I'm so unlucky on the diamond department. I need those dearly. Storage, I can get started with a blank barrel upgrade. Paper, a chest. Okay. We might, so if we go and sieve, we should probably get some farming started. I'm gonna sieve here. Let's see. Where is it? I need to see what it makes. Okay, here it is. If we go to dirt. Yes, dirt. I can get sugarcane seeds. Out of what again? Flint. Where's the iron? There's no iron. I have to make flint stiffened mesh. 1 in 4, 1 in 8%. Should probably get. I can make some flint stiffened meshes, I think. That one. Ooh. If you guys didn't know, a great way of getting string. Just go like that. Find silkworms. You can get silkworms by just going on a tree with the crook. Where are my silkworms? Very early game items. I misspelled it. Silk. They must have all blown up. I have to. Where's my crook? Where is? Give me what I want to. I also did a little better AFK, and I was getting many stacks of wood, apples, the saplings, everything. Oh, if I get 3 peaches, I can make a peach sapling. That would be cool. I guess as long as I'm doing this, I should probably. I can get silkworms out of this, right? Right? Oh no. Oh, I can't. Wondered there for a second if I couldn't. That would have been bad. tree down. Just do this again and again until we get some silkworms out of this. We need many, many silkworms. Probably go over here, start casting all of this iron. 18 blocks. Many, many iron. Yeah, as you guys can see, I did so much mining. I just have stupid hours. Sadly, we're only able to get 8 nickel. And nickel is very, very important. And silver. Nickel and silver. We don't really get a lot of silver, but 4 nickel or 8 nickel, it's not enough. I need a lot. We need a lot more. Okay, another silkworm. We got some peach and nice. I think this might take a bit. I'm also gonna get enough string to make some wool too. So I'll be back when I have probably like 2 stacks of string. See you guys in a bit. Hello everyone, we're back. I have a little surprise in that chest for us. This is all the gravel from all the mining trips I did off camera. I have so much flint and everything. This is all for the diamonds. All for the diamonds. We just need a couple diamonds from this. That's all. It will help us so much in the chickens mod. Diamonds help us anywhere, basically. We need them, and we cannot find them. Mining dimension won't give us any. Nothing's in that chest. I've just been into some Tinker's construct. So this video, I am hoping to get some chicken into the chicken mod right here. I've got some string ready for when we want to do it, and it's gonna be chickens is the best. Yes. Chickens is the best way for anything. They are unbelievably amazing. They give you so much stuff. You cannot compare any. Second diamond. Let's go. We're lucky for once. I need an auto clicker for this. 3 diamonds. Let's go. More diamonds, please. More diamonds. No. Please just give us. We need 4 diamonds. Okay. Need more. More diamonds. We need just way too many diamonds for some projects that I have. Okay, 4 diamonds, just not enough. We need to get a diamond sieve. 5 diamonds. More. No. More. The drop rate on this for diamonds is increased for a diamond sieve. So we really need to invest in a diamond sieve soon. It only costs 6 diamonds, but I want a couple of them to go through. Or else it just takes too long. 7 diamonds, let's go. Gosh, we're actually lucky in the diamond department now. Amazing. Amazing. Come on. I hate when I do that. I don't know, those Tinker's construct tools just won't despawn for some reason. I'm trying to find a hammer that breaks 3x3, but yeah, 3x3. I'm hoping to get in maybe to another mod for mining just because it's taking too long and too many pickaxes for other stuff, for regular things. 7 diamonds. We need more. We need so many diamonds. So many diamonds. Please. Hear me out and give me diamonds, God. Diamonds. Oh my gosh, we are not lucky. We've gotten almost every. Well, we have 8 emeralds. It is pretty good. Emeralds are another thing that we need, because I have farmed up quite a bit of string. Let's see, 8 diamonds, just not enough. Need so many more. 9 emeralds, but the real thing that we're going for is diamonds. That's all we need. All we need are diamonds. These compressed sieves, that worst idea I ever did. I'm never going to use them again, but guess I'll know that next time. we might use it one day for an auto sieve, but is there a compressed auto sieve? I don't know, but I need you guys to like and subscribe. It really helps the channel. You have no idea how much it can help. We have not many subscribers right now, and even just clicking that red button once, it helps so much. We are very grateful when anyone is kind enough to subscribe. 8 diamonds. We celebrate every subscriber. If you were to tell us in the comments that you subscribed, and you're subscribed, we would give you a role on our Discord server or something. By the way, we have a Discord server. It's pretty pog. You should go check it out. You can play with us. You can see what we're doing in that next video that we're coming out with, and you can support us. 10 diamonds. Give us more diamonds. More. 10. Like 20. Money, please. I'd be so lucky to get some more. To complete all of this takes 6 diamonds per sieve to upgrade it to diamond. We would need 54 diamonds, and we don't have anywhere near that right now. We are doing pretty well in emerald. So our last 3 sacks of gravel, guys. We just need 2 more. It'd be nice if we can get 2 more. Probably won't. 2 more, please. I think we like doubled our ores. It's pretty good. I mean, the amount of ores that we have, because all of these can be combined. I mean, hopefully we get. Okay, 11 diamonds. 1 more, please. 1 more. 1 more. 1 more. Shoot. Last. Yes, we got 1 more. Okay. It should be good. I mean, I think I'll keep these diamonds for safekeeping, in case we want to use any projects with them. I really want to make a diamond chicken. 13. Let's go. 13 diamonds. 1 more. 1 more. Lucky. Nope. 4. We have as many diamonds as emeralds. It's amazing. So let's try to see if we can take everything with us in one go. Nope. Let's drop some of the crystals. I don't know what these crystals are used for, except I may be able to use them one day for something good. Okay. Can I post like Q? Nope. Nope. I have to combine these manually. 10. 10. Oh. I have to have a crafting table. 10. Nope, I cannot. Okay, put all the tin up there. That's all of our tin. Oh, I forgot to balance the grid. Actually, we may have a lot more over here. Let's deposit all of these ores. We have lots and lots of ores. I've been mining like crazy. Go in here. These are all the ores I smelted up. Plus some extra iron in here. We got a whole block of nickel, which is pretty darn good. Nickel is one of the rarest things to find, and it's so useful for making things, for making machines. And look at all of this. It's like diamonds here. Jackpot of diamonds. Okay, let's see. I'll take that. Okay, that looks like a whole bunch. Makes me very, very happy. More tin. 6 more. Okay, nice. The lead. I mean, I won't mind more lead. I'll take any ore. Aluminum. I think we have a lot of aluminum. Not that much, I guess. We have a whole bunch of iron. Shoot. Did not mean to clear a grid there. One stack of iron. And since we can double it, that's awesome. Ore doubling is so useful. I cannot stress it enough. Balance that. That. Let's put all the rest of the iron in here. Oh my gosh, there's so much. We will never have to mine again at this point. Maybe for certain materials, but that's it. Whoa. Put all the iron in there? Can't even put it all in one chunk. Okay, that's iron. It's the osmium, copper, tin, lead, and aluminum. That is so much ore. Guess what? Smelting. We can do something. We can make the market. How on earth do we make? Okay, there are 2 markets. Which one do they want us to make? Chickens. Wholesale. Looks like this one. 4 wool. 4 oak wood planks. So this, just take all of this. That there. There. Take 4 planks. We will be rolling in it tonight. That's what I can say. That's all I can say. I mean, if you guys know what on earth these crystals do, please tell me. I am so confused. We need 1 emerald, 4 wood, 4 wool. Market. There we go. Wholesale. We can just put it right there. They want us to buy. We get an achievement. Let's go. A cobblestone generator. Boop. What do they want us to do? They want us to buy a chicken. And how do you make a chicken catcher? Chicken catcher. Chicken stick. Feed the chickens. Where? Chicken. Here we go. Sounds pretty nice. We need egg, a stick, and a feather. I think we have that. Yep, a feather, a stick,
Alright, yeah, we chicken catcher. Let's go. We need to buy a chicken now. It's this way. Chicken! We need emeralds. Of course we need emeralds. Why would we need emeralds? Okay, emeralds. Let's take all the emeralds. 25, nice. Three emeralds, and I'll take a chicken. Ooh, now where do we want to put this? Where do we... Actually... Wait, no I don't. No, please don't. This breaks in... Ah, shoot. Well, I mean, where else do we want something else? We can make a place right here. Okay. These tools are done for. What? What? How? It doesn't even make sense. They can survive lava? Is there a garbage bin? There's a trash can. Let's go. Garbage tools. There we go. Rid of them forever. I get XP? Okay, I won't mind that. It's pretty nice. Then I'll make it this way. If you guys, I have not died in a while. I've got nice gear on. I got an awesome emerald chestplate, which keeps me alive throughout everything. Just a good pickaxe. All of the ones I'm using right now kind of suck. We will need some wood because I want to make sure the chickens do not escape. No escape for them. Should probably buy another chicken because you need chickens to mate. Put this in here. Put this there. Put wood. There we go. And make one gate. Never mind, I don't know how to make a gate. Should be enough. I don't know why I'm making so much of all of this. One gate. Actually, I will make some more. Balance grid. Let's make a whole bunch of this. I don't know why I'm making so many, but I am, so... Can I actually... No, I can't jump up. Okay. We need grass. Pretty sure you can get grass seeds. Be very helpful. I don't know if it's good or bad. Chickens to have grass down there. Drop of evil, that will come real handy later. Okay, so I found that grass. We actually need to make one of these. And then I need to upgrade it to flint. Where's the flint? I know we have flint. Oh, shoot, where did I put the flint now? So wait, if I do this. Where's the other chicken? I had 2 chickens. Now I get 1 chicken back? What? Exchange. These gadgets are useless. just got scammed. What happened? Oh my gosh. I had 2 chickens. I only have 1. That's sad. What is the next? I have to make egg beds. Can't even say it correctly. 6. There we go. Flint mesh. We'll go over here. Useless gadget ever. What not take? Grass seeds and sugarcane seeds. No grass. Diorite. Nope. Canola. Okay, 1 grass. I need sugarcane now. Give me sugarcane. Sieve. Can I get sugarcane from this? One in 8, 1 in 4. It's better at the flint. Stiffen mesh. Okay, I need. It's the only way to get what I want. Okay. I guess I just gotta get lucky. I am never lucky, am I? Nope. Beetroot. Nope. Nope. Ooh, this was sapling. It could be cool. Sugarcane, sugarcane. No. Carrot? No. Sugarcane. Sugarcane. I'm gonna get it, and this is the try. This is the try to get sugarcane. What? I need sugarcane. Gosh. I think I'm gonna come back when I get sugarcane and the chicken area is done. See you guys. Well, yes, and I'm going to put all of this away. I'm gonna clear up the inventory, and we're gonna get into the chickens. And we're gonna get egg beds, fun house, hen house. See you guys in a bit. Hey guys, it's been a while. I came back and I was smelting up some ores, and look at this. I had 7 blocks of copper in here. They're just going to nothing. I don't understand. Copper's just gonna disappear or something? Is it not? Oh. Is it not being like with the bronze? I'm so confused. This mod is great, but it's also very confusing because I don't understand why that was being deleted, basically. 5 ingots. Go over here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then the 6th one will be full. Break it. And I got the ingot cast. Awesome. Just awesome. We got, okay, so in the loot box I got some stuff, but I also got the egg bed done. Ooh. Wait a minute. Well, involve. Some hammer. These hammer. The tin can do it too. Let's go. I've been confused for so long how to get it to break the whole thing. Now we finally have it. Any of these can. Diamonds, awesome. Well, let's go. Can break a whole bunch of blocks at once now. That'll be so helpful. 4 blocks, 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, so I've been working pretty darn hard, I'd say. We have. I also I made an osmium axe because my other axe broke. I think this axe might be better. Don't know. Go over here. I have been working. I have made 2 farms in this chicken area, which I've just been putting chickens in here and getting more and more because this manure should help. And then I also made this hen house. If I put wheat in it, it will collect this stuff for me, so I don't have to come in here and get it. And hopefully it won't despawn. What else is? Yeah, so we are doing pretty well on everything. The only thing is, I just do not have enough bone meal to grow all this wheat fast enough. So, well, we're probably have to end off the episode here, but we've got quite far into the chicken mod. I mean, the first stuff is the hardest. I'm probably going to make a hen house and a fun house and maybe roost collector and the numbers or this chicken analyzer before we come back for the next episode, and then we can make some awesome chickens: log chicken, lapis chicken, red chicken, sand chicken, and the chicken I really want. Where is it? The diamond chicken. The diamond chicken, gold, and basically, yeah.
Diamond
See you guys.
Sounds cool.
See you guys next episode. Make sure to like and subscribe. It really helps.